Ang sabi po nila, kung hindi dahil sa dating Pangulo ay ganito ang sinapit ni Senator Laila De Lima, ano po ang saloobin niyo dito?
Kalokohan po yan. Ni minsan, hindi po naghain ng complaints si dating Presidente Rodrigo Roa Duterte dapat kay Leila. Ni minsan, hindi po nagbigay ng testimonya.
Tama naman si Roque, hindi nga humarap sa korte si Duterte laban kay De Lima. Pero sa public speeches niya, eto ang mga sinabi niya tungkol sa dating senadora.
She's a government official. One day soon, I will bitawan ko yan in public. And I will have to destroy her in public.
There is a senator complaining when one day I will tell you that her driver herself, who was her lover, was the one also collecting money for her during the campaign. Those money came readily from her. The intercept between Muntinlupa and the driver were far beyond. But in fairness, I would never say here that the driver gave the money to her. But by the looks of it, she has it.
Depensa naman ni Roque.
Wala naman siyang pinangalanan kung sino yung sisirain niya. At kung totoong sisirain niya, hindi sana nakapag-bail ngayon si Leila De Lima.
Pero di ba, kinumpirma pa rin ni Duterte na si De Lima nga yung tinutukoy niya.
Oo nga. Eto pa.
Mr. President, when you said that she's part of the drug matrix, is that the suggestion that she's actively involved in the whole drug trade?
Here is a woman posturing himself to be a crusader for good government. But because hindi niya mapigilan ang immorality niya, sa bagay to the credit of De Lima, she is legally annulled. But her sex escapades led her to commit several serious violations of law.
Eh hindi pa nga nasasampahan ng kaso sa korte. Parang hinusgahan na ni Duterte sa De Lima, di ba?
Ito si De Lima, she screwed her driver and screwed the nation. Makakulong man talaga yan siya. Sigurado yan because of the testimonial evidence. You elected a senator, kayong mga Pilipino, who was into narco-politics.
So, kung hindi testimonya ang tawag sa mga pinagsasasabi ni Duterte, anong tawag dun?
Sentensya?